If you're an older adult and you're looking to get mentally and physically fit, you are in the right place rather. I offer on Zoom and both in Keynsham classes. I offer Pilates Monday 5:30, Wednesday 9:35, Tuesday stretch, tone and relax at 10:30, and Thursday yoga at 5:30 in the afternoon. I also have outdoor mindfulness and introduction to meditation, which are on a Tuesday and Wednesday afternoon, and self-care, which is on a Friday. From the 5th of September, I've also got a Pilates and relaxation challenge, which is £5 for 5 days. You'll get the video sent straight to your phone to do each day. So if you're not sure if you're ready to start a class yet, that's the place to check those out. Place to start. See you soon. Bye bye. Don't know how to end this.